I don't know. I mean, it's just it's one of those days that you're probably gonna see end of Andrew Aziz. The TNA goes to zero. Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Andrew. I'm sorry, I had a really bad night last night. I couldn't really sleep. So I woke up at 2 a.m. and I couldn't really sleep. So I skipped the trading in the morning. I came in the afternoon. I saw CPIX is the Nasdaq active. And I saw really popping up, really nice volume. So I just did a quick ABCD pattern, like a bull flag trade on it from 480 to 510. That was really good. That made my day. But overall, the market is just selling off. Man, I am so long and so wrong. So IWM is just kept selling off, and I have a big position on it. And yeah, so, and I have some SPXL and TNA. They're both leveraged, and I'm kind of stuck on it. I don't know what to do. So, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, there's a really, obviously the unrealized gain is like $500,000. I'm down on it, so I'll see how it goes. But hopefully I'll survive. I did one trade on SPXL, which on the other account I made money, but that's more like a different style. How was your day, Peter? What was the activity?
Well, I ended up just trading Apple this morning. I said I was having some hotkey issues. I finally decided to try and get with the program and use hotkeys like a lot of people were doing, and they worked great in Sim, but not this morning. So it sort of threw me off my game. Decided to take it easy for the afternoon and not take any further trades.
Yeah. Well, hopefully the market bounces. I don't know. I mean, it's just it's one of those days that you're probably gonna see end of Andrew Aziz. The TNA goes to zero. Everyone was watching live.
Yeah, and I know that Artie was saying that maybe you should put some hedging in there. He was looking.
I know. This is the account that I kind of mess around with it, and I kind of stuck, and I should start doing something on it. I really have to look into that, but I didn't see this drop of like 5% on IWM, to be honest with you. Otherwise, I would have definitely hedged something against it. But I think it's gonna bounce. Stonks only go up. I really believe in that, but IWM is back to the levels earlier this year. So this is just, I didn't see this big drop coming. Well, Jared had a good discussion about the state of the market. Oh, we'll see how it goes. Tesla and Apple both are holding, so maybe that's a good sign that maybe it's not that bad, at least. So I'll see you, Peter, this week. Thursday, Mike is gonna come.
Yes, you.
And yeah, so I'll guess all the best, guys, and hopefully, yeah, hopefully we get a Santa Claus run at the rally. Market again, it just dropped a little bit. All right, guys, have a good day, and see you tomorrow morning in the chat. Sorry I missed this morning.